Welcome to Math TV with Professor V. It is Monday, April 10th, 2023. Here's your integral of the day. We have a definite integral this time, from 0 to 1 over rad 3 of t squared minus 1 over t to the fourth minus 1 dt. So go ahead, pause the video if you like, if you want to give it a try on your own first, and then I'll start solving it right now. First thing I notice, I can factor the numerator, but even more exciting, I can factor the denominator. T to the fourth minus 1 is a perfect square binomial. So let's go ahead and do that first. And I'm not going to factor the numerator just yet. Let me see if I even need to. I'm pretty good at factoring, so I'm thinking I'm not going to need to by the looks of things. T to the fourth minus 1 factors into t squared minus 1 over t squared plus 1 dt. So yes, there was no need to factor the numerator. It's just going to cancel with t squared minus 1 in the denominator. Remember, t squared plus 1, that's prime. Sum of squares is prime. Okay, so now we have integral 0 to 1 over rad 3, 1 over t squared plus 1 dt. What to do? This is just one of those antiderivatives you should have put to memory already. Okay, so there is nothing to do other than just write down, this is tan inverse of t. Okay, and then we're going to evaluate it. Now that I've anti-differentiated, you write the limits of integration off to the right. No more dt. Okay, I've said before, the integral sign and the dt are a package deal, so they go away at the same time. And then now we just got to evaluate at our limits of integration. So we have tan inverse of 1 over rad 3 minus tan inverse of 0. And then now it's just a matter of making sure you remember your trig, you know your unit circle. If you forgot, I have all my trigonometry and pre-calculus video lectures linked. I can assist you with some review there. Tan inverse of 1 over rad 3, that's pi over 6, minus tan inverse of 0 is 0. So this is just pi over 6. Okay. And don't rely on your calculator. I don't let my students have a calculator in class. Not a calculator, not any kind of calculator is allowed, and a lot of other college professors do the same. So stay on your toes, memorize that unit circle. It's not that hard, and you'll use it the rest of your life. Hope you enjoyed this integral of the day. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also catch me on Instagram and TikTok at Math TV with Professor V. And if you want access to exclusive content, extra videos, worksheets, practice, all ad-free, then sign up for my Patreon. It's just $9.99 a month, and the link is in the description box. And right here, click on that little starfish. Okay, talk to you guys soon. Bye.